Today's easy recipe for lunch is made with cooling, healing properties in mind. This is a great remedy for people who need to reduce their body heat. We buy our fresh fruits in this wholesale vegetable market. Drinking fresh fruit juice daily helps to lower cholesterol. Our low cholesterol diet plan is not too difficult, but it does require us to be more mindful on the stuff we cook and eat in each meal. For our pudding, we need 2 fresh young coconuts. This jelly packet is the same brand as our soya bean custard that we made a few weeks ago. Watch that video if you are interested. Follow the instruction given at the back of the packet. 1 packet can make 3 liters of jelly. We use half the powder and kept the other half for another day. Scoop and slice the coconut flesh. Sprinkle on top of the jelly. While our jelly is chilling in the fridge, it's time to harvest our homegrown wax gourd. This pink flowering crab mattel tree has been the home for our wax gourd or winter melon plant. It started growing from the base of the crab mattel tree. Nobody would have guessed this vine plant that grew from a seed could actually produce a melon. But it did. The skin of a wax gourd is mighty strong. To cut it, you will need a little muscle. Once you cut through, the rest is easy. This winter melon chicken soup has a light, refreshing sweetness with a soft texture once cooked. The melon does not contribute a lot of taste to the dish. Instead, absorbs the flavor of the ingredients it is combined with. According to traditional Chinese beliefs, winter melon soup is used to help cool the body heat because of its refreshing properties and neutralizing effect within the body. Our next dish is stir-fried cabbage with turmeric. Do you have this in your city? Let me know in the comment below. curry leaves and the turmeric with dried chili gives this cabbage dish a fantastic aroma, flavor and a beautiful color. These 3 easy dishes are wholesome, refreshing and really very healthy to have for our lunch or brunch. If you like more recipes like this, watch our next video. Subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.
Thanks for watching.